In primetime news this evening, fresh concern over the country's capacity to care for newborns. Construction boom in tourism-dependent St. Anne, testing the strength of local building laws. And no money to sensitize motorists, even as the country deals with emergency-level road fatalities.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. And coming up in the business day, new residential and commercial development to transform Spanish Town St. Catherine.
And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Janelle. Well, it seems a war of words is brewing between some local track and field coaches. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Exciting stuff. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before we get to that, let's hear from Romaine Robinson about what's coming up in the weather.
Clouds, the story has always been clouds. Cloudy conditions persist across most of Jamaica and most of the central Caribbean. A few isolated showers mainly across the west.
All right, so let's go to our feedback question, and we're asking this evening, what's your view, Jermaine? It's a sports question. What's your view on the performance of the West Indies team so far in the ICC T20 World Cup?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.